Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Today's recipe is very special as my sister-in-law is the one who's going to prepare this extremely delicious Palak Paneer recipe without using cream in her very own unique style. This is one of the best Palak Paneer you would have ever tried. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting notified. So let's start. Firstly, we need to prepare the spiced smooth spinach sauce, that's palak curry. For that I have taken 2 bunches of spinach leaves, that's palak, which I have rinsed in water and strained completely. With this we also require roughly sliced 2 medium-sized onions. Then into a pan add 3 cups of water. Now heat up the water until it's lukewarm. Now to this we are going to add spinach leaves and onions and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, then give a good mix and then allow it to boil for few seconds. And then we're going to switch off the flame and strain off the veggies. Once it's strained, allow the veggies to cool down completely. Upon cooling down, we're going to grind it. I'm adding it to a mixie and we're going to grind it to a smooth puree. While grinding, we need to add 3 to 4 green chilies and grind it to a smooth puree. Spinach palak puree is ready now. Remember, while grinding, do not add water. If required, you may add little milk. We'll tell you the reason why. Now we proceed with tempering. For that, we require a handful of garlic cloves that's crushed in mortar and pestle. Now for tempering, heat up a pan and add around 2 tablespoons of desi ghee, that's clarified butter. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and allow it to spread out. Now to this add 2 bay leaves, that's tej patta, and saute for few seconds. Once it's well sauteed, to this add the crushed garlic and saute it until raw aroma goes and it turns light golden brown in color. Once it's roasted well, to this going to add 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Just crush and add it and saute for few seconds. Now to this we're going to add the spinach puree now, and the leftover purees that's in the mixie, just gonna rinse it with little milk. Yes, with little milk and not with water. Rinse and add to the sauce. Remember, do not add water, only add milk as it will give creamy texture to the gravy. Give a good mix. Then we're gonna cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. While this is getting cooked, let's prepare a white creamy sauce that will enrich the taste and make the dish more creamy. For that, into a bowl, taken 3 tablespoons of rice flour and then to this gonna add milk. That's around 1 cup milk. Initially add 2 to 3 tablespoons and make a paste. Make a paste without forming lumps. Then keep adding milk gradually and make a very flowing consistency as you can see here, and it will thicken while cooking. So this is the consistency we are looking for. Now once this is prepared, we're gonna cook this. So into a heated pan, add this mixture, keep flame on very low and keep stirring continuously until it starts forming creamy consistency. You can see it started thickening now. Keep stirring continuously and don't leave it unattended, and soon you will see a thick creamy texture is formed. Upon cooling, it will thicken more. So at this stage, you can switch off the flame. Now let's take this spinach gravy that's been simmering for a while now. Give a mix. And then to this, we're going to add the creamy sauce now. You may see the consistency of the sauce now. It has thickened. I've kept aside 2 tablespoons of it for garnishing. Now mix it very well. And then on a very low flame, we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. If you have noted, we haven't added salt. It's only at this stage we're going to add salt as required. Remember, add the salt only at this stage and not before. As adding before will make spinach turn more darker due to the moisture it leaves, and you won't get this fresh green color. Cook for another 2 minutes, and to this we're going to add the Indian cottage cheese, that's paneer, which I have taken 250 grams. It's cut into cubes. Now add paneer and then give a good mix. Now allow the gravy to simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes. And that's it. A very delicious and creamy palak paneer is absolutely ready. Isn't this very simple and delicious to make? Now garnish this with white sauce and serve it hot with zeera rice, roti, naans or parathas. Do try this awesome recipe and trust me, you'll truly love it. Hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and do subscribe for more updates. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care of yourself. Happy cooking. Bye-bye.